In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a paid Telegram group with Whop. First things first, you need to set up your Whop creator account. Head over to whop.com and click on either become a creator or create a product. If you already have an account, sign in. Otherwise, you'll need to sign up using your Google, Discord, or email account. Once you're in, complete your creator setup by filling out your business name and entering your payout information via Stripe. A quick tip here. Make sure to verify your identity and connect your bank account so that you can seamlessly receive payouts later on. Now that your Whop account is ready, let's move on to creating your Telegram group. Open Telegram and tap on New Group. Add yourself first and then think of a catchy name for your group. Something like Elite Crypto Signals 2025 always has a nice ring to it. Be sure to set a profile photo along with a short yet engaging description of what your group offers. Head over to your group settings, select Manage Group, and then Add Admins, as you'll need to add WhopSpot here in a bit. Here's a pro tip. Keep your group private for now. Don't share the invite link with anyone just yet. The next step is to connect Telegram to Whop. Back in your Whop Creator dashboard, click on Create Product and choose Telegram Group as your product type. Then click Connect Telegram. Whop will generate a bot for you, which you will need to add to your Telegram group as an admin. To do this, go to Telegram, head to Group Settings, then Add Admin. Search for the bot name Whop has provided you. Make sure to enable admin permissions such as add members, remove members, and invite users via link. This bot manages your group by automatically adding paying members and removing those whose subscriptions have expired, reducing your manual efforts. With your group set up and connected, it's time to set your pricing and subscription options in Whop. Pick a pricing model that suits you best, whether it be a one-time payment, a monthly subscription, or lifetime access. Add some enticing details like your price, product title, and benefits. Think of benefits like daily signals or exclusive community. If you have any bonus materials or welcome messages, now's the time to upload them. Don't forget to customize your store page. Add a cover image, your logo, and a detailed description of what members will get when they join. Clearly outline your benefits and make it compelling for potential customers. Include an FAQ section for any common questions like refund policies or access terms. Adding keywords such as paid Telegram group and exclusive community will also improve your Whop search visibility. Once everything looks good, you're ready to publish. Simply hit the publish button to make your offering live. Copy your Whop store link, something like whop.com/yourstore/product name, and share it wherever it makes sense. You can put it in your Telegram bio as a pinned message or promote it through various platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Discord, YouTube, or TikTok. Email or direct messaging campaigns can be effective ways to spread the word too. The beauty of using Whop is that it handles all the heavy lifting, adding members who pay and removing those when their payments expire. And you can always view all your active and expired members under products and customers in the Whop dashboard. As a bonus tip, welcome your new members into the Telegram group with a friendly message, either through pinned posts or automated messages. That wraps up today's guide on setting up a paid Telegram group with Whop. Happy creating,